If you want to get the best power washer according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position we have SunJoe 2030 Max. If you're looking for an affordable unit that can get the job done, the SunJoe electric pressure washer is an excellent budget-friendly pick. It's one of the lightest models we tested, weighing in at 27.6 pounds. The highly rated model, 50,000 Amazon reviews and counting, delivers 2030 psi with a max flow rate of 1.76 gallons per minute. During our testing, we like that the dual detergent tanks can house separate cleaning solvents. You don't want to use the same cleaner on your car as you use for the deck, so it's nice to be able to switch between the two, says DiClerico. Meanwhile, the 5 quick connect spray tips allowed for the versatility to complete an array of cleaning tasks, from decking and siding to cars and boats. Moving on to the next at number 2 with WESTINGHOUSE gas pressure washer. In general, gas-powered pressure washers are far from lightweight and compact, but this unit will appeal to anyone who wants the power of a gas machine and covets the portability of an electric machine. It boasts an impressive 2700 psi and 2.3 EPM despite its sleeker, more vertical design than other models, though it does still weigh a whopping 63 pounds. In our testing, we found this model to be easier to maneuver and store than other gas pressure washers. The number 3 position is held by SIMPSON MegaShot. Though this pressure washer is the most expensive on the list, we think the price is justified by the machine's exceptional power. The model, which has 5 quick connect spray tips, a max PSI of 3,200 and a flow rate of 2.5 GPM, is more closely aligned with a professional-grade piece of equipment. It's more than what the average homeowner will need. But it's a great pick for any dyer who favors performance and strength above all. Just be aware that at 65 pounds, it's not as easy to lug around as other models. Next at number 4 we have RYOBI 1900 psi electric pressure washer. This electric pressure washer offers a nice combination of value and performance. With a modest 1900 psi and 1.2 GPM, the machine is best for smaller jobs, like clearing dirt and mildew from your deck. The telescoping handle and lightweight, 22.7-pound construction make for easy handling. We also like the compact design and vertical storage. During our testing, it's nice if space in the shed or garage is limited. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by GENERAC 2900 psi gas pressure washer. If you're looking for serious cleaning power to blast oil stains off the driveway or stubborn tree sap off the patio, this pro-grade gas pressure washer from GENERAC is one to consider. It offers 2900 psi and 2.4 GPM, placing it among the most powerful machines we tested. Weighing 50 pounds, it takes some muscle to move around, but we found that the machine is balanced out with some nice ergonomics, including a cushioned grip and easy-to-pull trigger, which should cut down on hand cramps. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.